students, welcome to my super talent class, Ntse reasoning. So today I will teach you paper folding and paper cutting. That is most important. You must get 2-3 questions from these chapters. Now see, before going for paper folding and cutting, you should understand this mirror image and water image. Mirror image already finished. So what is the mirror image ka basic principle? So you see, this side is mirror image and this side is water image. Mirror image you see that U is equal to V. You know it. That is object distance and equal to image distance. That is the basic principle. So on this basic principle, we will get the left and right changes. Left, right change. Left to right, right to left. But top, bottom, it will have no change. This is the basic principle. Top, bottom means it will top and bottom will no change. Left, right change. But water image you will see, top, bottom will change. Water image. So here one diagram, I put of this mirror and water at a time you see. This diagram you see. When it will be, always keep it in mind, object distance and image distance. So object जितना distance में mirror से है, back side image will be at the equal distance. That is the basic principle. So you see, now this figure you see, that is the image, yeah. And this object का image देखो. This is first nearer to the mirror. So this side image will be also nearer to the mirror. So this will come first and this will be more distance. So this side arrow mark देखो alternate change हो गया. But for the mirror image you see, this is inverted just like the inverted top bottom उल्टा हो गया. This will be coming first and this will be at, and this is exactly this. You see, suppose if we make it triangle, so it will be triangle. Very simple. This type of small intelligent questions are coming in different competitive exam. So mirror ka it will run away from the mirror. Your image will run away from the mirror also in the double distance, double speed. Because here this distance and this distance, always you will see, this is nearer, this will come first, and this is further, this will come further. That is the basic principle for the paper folding and paper cutting, paper folding. So you will see, so there will be change in left and right, not top and bottom in case of mirror image. Here you see, this left circle, so it will be circle. Distance also, always this distance must be same. Here A is same in mirror image, you know it. Here A. Here P, different distance, but P this come first, so it will be changed to this side. देखो, क्योंकि this and this same must be. So P will be like this, and F देखो, F will be like this. Change. Clear? Now see, this is the paper folding. You can know from the question paper whether it is paper, it is cut from the portions. So when this paper will be cutting, so you know whether left to right or right to left. How know it? You see the option answer sheet. Option answer sheet you will see. Suppose this side is dark. So option you will see answer ka. This left and this side is dark. So that is right to left shift. If that is left is not there, so option answer sheet ka. So left is dark. This is line clear. So this is left to right. So right. So now see this figure you see. Just to follow the mirror triangle. Suppose this is the cutting from folding. Just like the paper, it will be folded like this. Paper, it will be folded like this. So paper, it will be folded. Just like see, this is the paper. So paper, you see, that's the paper. If it will be folded. So what will happen? If it is folded like this, or it will be folded. So this paper, it will be folded. So just to mark the angular directions and angular, left and right only. Then if it will folded again also, so what will be the folding positions you see? So when it will be opened, you will make yourself at your home with a small piece of paper. Then how it looks. Let us see. So left, right. So left to right. Suppose left to right. So it will be right. Right to left. So right to left. It will be. Suppose right to left. So right person will be here. This is left. So you know the right to left. Somewhere it is written, somewhere it is not written. You have to find out from the options. So whether left side is fixed, then right to left. Right side fixed, left to right. Just here you see, this is the positions. What will happen here? When right will come to the left, देखो, this is dot, means right is out. Left will be distinct. Got to see this angle 35. So when it will folded, it will be on this line. And this will be on this line. So here in this figure, after paper folding, you will see only two triangles. These portions you cannot see. Right? So with paper you can make the practice also. This you cannot see. Then these positions you see. This is diagonally, and this left to right. So left will be vacant and the right will be fixed. So when it will move to this side, this angle will be this. देखो, this area. Then this will be on this. So this is the position. So that from the options you have to find out it. Options 3-4 diagrams are there. Out of that you stick to these are the just like the numbers clues. Verbal ka. It is also clue. This line with this with this. One more figure can be given also. This, like this. They can give you 2, 3, 4 clues. No problem. Just you see the mirror image. U is equal to V. Here you see, this is the circle. You see, this is the circle, this. Left to right. So, left will be vacant, right will be. When it will be folded left to right, what will happen? This arrow will be here. This arrow will be here. And this is the design, diagram, pattern you see. And here, what happens? Arrow will come here. And this box will be overlapping this arrow. So when after folding, you will get these positions. And these positions, here this to this, arrow to box. So you will find from the options by the best method, that is by the cancellation method. This is the cancellation, or you can say elimination method. That is most important. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4 options is given. So gradually you will see this arrow movement. You can cancel it. It will be right. Like this you have to practice it. If you stick to the fundamentals problems, the clue, then immediately you can solve it. This figure you see, very simple figures. It is folded from this figure you see, this folded in this line, and when it will folded, right to left. Right to left. So right to left means left side will be vacant. Right to left. So right side will be vacant. देखो, left will be distinct. Right side will be vacant. This you keep in mind. Right to left. So right to left means right side will be vacant. Left. Just you see when it will be right to left. How it will be looking like this. देखो. Again, very simple. Suppose this is line is given here, right to left. So it will come to this. Again. Suppose this line stroke like this. It will be like this. So any figure you make yourself, very easy. Always keep it in mind that is mirror image U is equal to V, and angular angles. Keep it in mind. Whether it is rotating in the 45 degree or 90 degree, that is most important. Next you see is the problem. So always I told you, as per my advice, it may not be good, attractive. I know it, because in the YouTube channel you can find a lot of attractive, decent technique of this, all this Ntse reasoning program. But as per my advice, you just go into the deep to the root of the knowledge and find yourself the questions first. Then you get the solution. On one clue you find, you make yourself 10 questions. That is the only method. Now to see. Here you see, suppose right to left. So right to left. When right to left, you will get the very clear. Options right will be dot 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 dot, just like the vacant. So when right to left, this is fixed because it is the left. This will be coming to this side. So this will be like this. Very simple. Right to left. So this will come to the, it will overlapping on this triangle. Right? So this is the method of it. Then you see, lot of questions are there. Very simple you will get it. Suppose here, you see. Dot is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy. Here is one dot. Right to left. Right to left. How you get it? Just to see. Very easy. When the same figure I am telling you, when this will be coming to this side, right to left, only this is the left hand, right will be vacant. Here, there, when it will come to this position, so you got to calculate the distance. So it will be here. Just guess karo distance. Approximately I am telling you, in the question paper you can measure it also. This will come to these positions. Right? If there are the two dot, here will be 2 dot, 6. That's what. Just to see. So it will be repeating like this. That the dot positions. So here you will get the 6 dot. Sorry. If it is, suppose it is left to right, what will happen? This side, left right. So left to right, kya hoga? This will go to these positions, and this will be vacant. This will be the answer. Very simple. Only we stick to the principle of mirror diagram. E is equal to V, left right, but not top and bottom. So easily you can get it. Suppose make some questions. Just to make it, any diagram you practice it. Suppose if the circle is the triangle, that is left to right. Left to right means you get on the right side. What will happen? Left to right. When you move it, left to right, what will happen? Here is here. So circle, here is the triangle. Triangle, here is the circle. Circle. Suppose if here you mark it, that's the common idea of concept. If circle is big side, this is small, and this is triangle is big side, this is small. Just to mark it. What will happen when you overlap on it? What will be? Here, this is the triangle. It will be like this. देखो. This is the small, so triangle will be like this. देखो. So this is the, this side will be, that is left to right. If right to left, what will happen? It will come to this side. Same thing. Suppose right to left. You understand yourself. Don't, always I told you, don't solve 1,000 questions. Understand only one question, making your own clue. You can make many questions on that basic principle. Then you can be successful. That is the only method. Yourself only making the clue. Suppose it will come to this side. What will happen? Right to left kar diya. Same question. It will be here. Very easy. And it will come to this side. देखो. Same. आ गया. Right? So accordingly, you will see the positions of when paper folding, how it appears accordingly. So, or a question देखो. That is diagonally. Diagonally, if it will be diagonally, suppose I am making easy. 1, 2. Diagonally. Diagonally. 1, 2. देखो. Diagonally, if it will move, so what will happen? Diagonally, it will come to this side or it will go to that side. So, देखो. Diagonally, when diagonally, what will happen? This portion will be cutting out. So only that portions. देखो कैसे होगा? वो तो ओरिजिनल है. देखो वो जो आएगा वो ऐसे हो जाएगा. देखो. So what will happen? This to this, it will be like this. One line or two line. थोड़ा सा ब्रेन में लगाओ. That is the angular and distance. So it is diagonally, but you are getting questions only left right conversion. Diagonal नहीं आता है. only फ्लैट में आता है. Diagonal नहीं आता है. सेम क्वेश्चन का सपोज कटिंग का देखो. सपोज कटिंग, सिंपली आई टोल्ड यू. सपोज दिस इज कट this portion, other this cutting and folding also देखो. If it will be a hole here, so the questions देखो, this is folded once, then twice. देखो, if a hole is here, what will happen? When it will be folded this one, here you will get the hole. So think it is just like a mirror image. Then when it is again unfolded, what will happen? This will come to here one, here is one. Suppose you fold at the circle you cannot do. So if it is a circle, this is the folding. It will make it hole, that will be cutting, cut ho gaya. So like this, you will make yourself with the paper. Suppose this question का ऐसे cutting इधर हो गया, what will happen? कट कर दिया था, इधर से हो जाएगा, इधर से हो जाएगा, इधर से देखो. This very thing very easy. While you make the decoration cutting different papers for the puja functions, you can practice yourself. You will get the same one. So suppose here a hole, so it will be here and here and here. देखो. Whole, triangle, square, rectangle, anything you can give it, no problem. So easily on that basic principles you can get it. So there will be no problem. Suppose you see this is the triangle. इधर से एक फोल्डिंग हो गया, फिर इधर से एक फोल्डिंग हो गया. So again इधर फोल्डिंग हो गया, इधर फोल्डिंग. What will happen? If this folding का again you will fold like this. Suppose this is folded twice. देखो, basic principle same. And as many times you can fold it. Suppose this cut हो गया, so this will be cut. देखो. So this folding on the other side, this will be cutting. So if you make a hole, it will be hole here. So that is folded. So according, if you fold it again, you will get that here. Any positions you can get it. देखो. Just by the folding, taking practically with the papers, you can practice it. Okay? Suppose accordingly, you can get the different positions as arrow, so you can get it in that position. Suppose this is the position. एक कट इधर हो गया, so एक कट और फोल्डिंग होने से उधर आ गया, वो सब डट हो गया. Suppose here is these positions. So these positions, when you unfold it, क्या आएगा देखो? When unfold it, this position क्या देखो? It will be like this. देखो. I fold it and cut it, you get only these positions, that is one. So इधर क्या होगा? 2, 3, 4. डिजाइन कर दो. So accordingly, by folding and cutting, थोड़ा सा concentrate on the question paper, easily you can solve it. Suppose one more easy, if you concentrate with the understanding easy, then you can understand it. Dot, folding हो गया, this is, these portions, देखो, ऐसे folding कर दो, folding करके, here you make this, cut these portions. What will be the answer you see? Easily you can imagine. Here cutting means, here you will get one, here you will get one, here you will get one. So out of the options, you will find the answers. That is very important. हड़बड़ी नहीं होने से, just concentrate on the options. Out of the options, you have to select it. On the question paper, you make the diagram like this, without wasting any time. So then you will pick up the correct answer from the options easily.